Hello everyone. Today we will talk about a very important life process, excretion. Excretion is the process by which metabolic waste products are removed from the body. These waste products come from various activities like respiration, digestion, and other chemical reactions in the body. Without excretion, harmful substances would build up and make living organisms sick or even lead to death. So it is a vital function for survival. Our body produces different type of waste. First, nitrogen waste like urea, uric acid, ammonia formed when protein and amino acids break down. Second, non-nitrogenous waste such as oxalic acid and lactic acid. Third, excess substance like extra salt, vitamins, hormones, pigments, and drugs. Fourth, the bile pigments like bilirubin and biliverdin. Fifth, carbon dioxide released during respiration. And sixth, excess water removed through urine, sweat, and exhalation. Excretion in humans. The main excretory organ in humans is the kidney. Two bean-shaped reddish organs located in the lower back on both sides of the spine. Each kidney contains around 1 million nephrons, the tiny structural and functional unit of kidneys. Other parts includes ureter, tube that carries urine from kidney to bladder, urinary bladder that store urine, urethra release urine out of the body, nephron, the kidney's working unit. Each nephron has Bowman's capsule that filter blood and proximal tubule that reabsorb useful things, loop of Henle that help in water balance, distal tubule, secretion of waste, collecting duct, the final urine collection, nephrons surrounded by a network of blood vessels called vasa recta. Now the urine formation process. There are four major steps in urine formation. Ultrafiltration. The blood is filtered under pressure in the glomerulus. The filtrate, about 125 ml per minute, enters the Bowman's capsule. Second, selective reabsorption. Useful material like glucose, amino acids, and water are reabsorbed in the tubules. Third, tubular secretion. The waste products like urea and ions are actively secreted into the tubule. Fourth, urine concentration. Water is reabsorbed mostly under the action of ADH hormone and T-diuretic hormone. This creates concentrated urine. Urine is stored in the bladder and finally released from the body through a process called micturition. Now the excretion in plants. Unlike animals, plants do not form urea or uric acid. Instead, they produce secondary waste products such as alkaloids, for example, quinine and morphine, tannins, latex, resins, gum, and oxalic acid. How plants manage waste? First, old leaves. Waste stored in the leaves that fall off. Second, old xylem. Waste stored in dead tissues, for example, hardwood. Third, bark, tannins, and waste deposited in the bark which sheds off. Fourth, vacuoles that store waste in non-toxic form. Fifth, root excretion. Some waste are released into the soil. Sixth, Detoxifications, toxic substance converted into crystals like calcium oxalate. 7. Salt glands excrete excess salt in some plants like mangroves. We have studied about excretion, which is essential for survival in both plants and animals.